What's good, YouTube, bro? It's your boy Katron Financial here today, man. So today we're gonna be going over today's Nasdaq trade, and we're gonna go. I'm gonna walk you step by step through this. Exactly. I took an L at first too. I took an L half. Here, I'll explain it right here. I'll explain it. All right. So first thing first, we always trade at 9:30 New York session open when this volume kicks off. You know, you need volume for the momentum, especially if you trade like breakouts and things of sort, like trend line breaks, things of that sort. You need momentum, heavy volume. So you don't want to trade during like these time periods. You want to trade during 9:30 New York session. Best time to trade if you're trading Nasdaq. All right, cool. So at first, this candle right here, we got a trend line break here. Let's go into 5 minutes so you can actually see what happened. All right, so right here, we got a trend line break. I saw we were in this channel already. So I thought we were breaking out the channel, so I was expecting some buys here. But right when the market opened, we got this huge drop, which I wasn't trusting. I didn't want to get faked out, so I was very patient with it. I didn't get in right away. It was just the market open, and you know, if you traded it for a while, you know when market open. Sometimes this candle could do this and just literally flip. So basically, I was waited to this break right here of this support, because now we got multiple confluences. We got this trend line break, then we got a support break, and then also my 90 minute and VWAP is currently off. So you guys probably can't see through all that, but we were breaking through those too. So I think I got in around right here first. I got in right here on this little like half candle. I'm like, okay, we're tank. So I took a shot at it. 1-to-1. We did hit the 1-to-1, and once we hit the 1-to-1 right here, so we came down. Hold on, let's see. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see this. So we came down right here. We entered. We hit the 1-to-1. I put my stop loss to halfway. Every time we hit a 1-to-1, I put my stop loss to halfway. Some people do break even. Whatever's good for you, because especially if you're a scalper, you want to, if the market reverses, you want to be able to minimize your losses as much as possible. And I'm gonna explain why. Look. So boom, it came down, hit the 1-to-1, it reversed it back up. We got stopped out our first trade. Okay, we lost half of our trade that. So we risk. I think I was on my 10K account. We risked $100 right here. We lost $50. Okay, boom. So that happened. So you take your L. That's why you minimize your risk, because scalper, you're gonna take multiple trades sometimes. So once you do that, I lost that trade. So now I said I'm gonna be a little more patient. I'm gonna be a little more patient right here. So the market came all the way up here, I saw. So I'm like, okay, I saw this break and recess of this trend line. And then once my confirmation right here to enter also, because we got the break and retest. So I'm like, okay, we might continue dropping. And then we got this bearish engulfing candle that engulfed this candle right here. So that was heavy signs that we're going to keep shooting down. As you can see, once we got that close below there, I was still a little wary, but I'm like, okay. Then we came all the way down here. I waited for it to break out this little trend line box. We hit a 1-to-1. So we hit our 1-to-1 first. Stop loss break even. As you can see, that's why this line right here. And then look, guys, I just posted the video too. Look at the perfect stop loss. Then we came down after it came back. It came back to this 1-to-2. Well, right now I'm closing all my trades at 1-to-2s. I'm not taking nothing more. I don't want nothing more. 1-to-2s. That's what the market is showing. That's what the market has been given. So I'm gonna take it. 1-to-2. After I put my stop loss to halfway, hold the 1-to-2. I like to put my stop loss just in case it keeps running. I put my stop loss at the 1-to-2, and then if it keeps going, it keeps going. If it reverses, it reverses. I'm fine with it. I take what I take, and you know, that's it. So basically, that's really typically it, you guys. With breakouts, 9:30 momentum, and then these breakout trades. And as long as you're using your stop loss and you're not over risking, you're always risking the same lot size every time. You're staying disciplined. You're following your rules. I could have lost this trade. I would have took my 2 trade. I could have lost both of them, and I'd have been done for the day. Came back tomorrow, hit a 1-to-2. Now you break even for the week. That's how it works. I also want to go over this trade I caught. I didn't catch a 1-to-5 though. I'm gonna be honest. I closed at a 1-to-2. I was just seeing how many pips we got. So on this buy right here, look, 9:30, look, perfect time. It was 9:30. This was around 9:40. 9:40. So right here, I believe, yes, I did get stopped over here again. So look, 1-to-1. We hit the 1-to-1. Stop loss break even. Okay, I came back. I lost half. Then wait again. Okay, I'm like, okay, if it breaks here, I'll enter on the trade. So I enter here because I'm like, if it goes right here, I'll have my stop loss halfway anyway. So we'll be good. We'll still minimize the risk, even if it reverses right here, because this is a zone it could have reversed from and kept going down. It could have got a double top and kept going down, but we didn't because the market was already extremely bullish. Probably on a 15-minute, you could see a good break and retest. That's why I hate switching the time frame, bro. Like, where did it go? Where did it go? Where is the trade at now? Oh, right here. All right, let's see. Let's look at this on a 15-minute. Yeah, look at this break and retest. 15 minutes clean, guys. If you trade like if you're a scalper, I recommend the 15 too as well. Just sometimes you got to use the 5 minutes so you can see how the candle's closing, because the 5 minute is just all adding up to the 15 minute, you know. But see, as you can see, we got this good engulfing candle right here. Once I saw this kind of passing this, and it was kind of like the candle was about to close, like, you know, when that's the best time to, when you watch the candles, you kind of want to get in at the end of the candle, because that's when it's kind of making its final decision. So right here, I got in 1-to-1, stopped halfway, and then we came up, we hit this 1-to-2 right here, and I closed my trade, guys. And it's that simple. I took one L, I came back. Why is this not working? I took one L. Yeah, okay. I don't know what's going on with my chart, but you guys got the point. The 1-to-2 is right there. So that's typically it, you guys. That's really all trading is, you guys. It's risk management, and it's making sure you're adjusting your stop loss if you're a scalper and things of that sort. That's trading, guys. That's scalping. That's the journey. It's very simple. It's very easy. Just most people fail because they can't stay disciplined. They like most people. I'm like, okay, let's trade again. Let's hit another one. Then they lose, or another person would have been like, oh, now let's just wait for this TP3, TP4, and then it reverses. Another person like they see their trade going to drawdown. They close it. You know, it's all emotion. So you stay disciplined. You stick to your rules no matter what. I have my rules written right here. This is what I follow. This is my rule book. I stick to the plan. You can't get mad at yourself if you don't stick to the plan. You can't get if you stuck to your plan, you can't really get mad at yourself. You can get mad at yourself though if you didn't stick to the plan. That's bad, and you don't want to do that. Don't be one of those traders, you guys. I learn from me, you guys. I messed up plenty of times, you guys. I lost plenty of funded accounts by trying to just out counter the rules, trying to rush it. You can't out counter the rules. Trading has its own rules that you can't out counter, so don't try it. Anyways, though, Katron Financial, that's me. I'm on the way of completing this 10K account. Funded. We're going crazy, man. As you can see here, let's show some numbers, guys. I know you guys like to see some numbers, man. You're like, what is this dude talking about? He ain't showing no numbers. I'm gonna show y'all today's trade, 10K account. Let's see. Let's pull this up. Yeah, also, guys, Trade Locker is pretty good, guys. I've been using Trade Locker. I used to use MetaTrader, but I like how Trade Locker, like, you can have the lots and you can see how much the lot you're risking, because sometimes on different brokers it's different, so it's kind of confusing. Trade Locker, no matter the broker, you're gonna see how much you're risking at your stop loss. Like, you could test it before you even enter the trade. That's something cool about this. Something's wrong with my connection right now, you guys. But I got a video here. Let's show a video when I was in that trade. This was this morning. Today. It says today. Today right here. As you can see, we were up in the trade. That's typically it. You know, I'm only on a 10K account. First phase is what, $800. I'm already halfway there. I'm not gonna over risk it. I'm not gonna try to force it. I'm not feeding for money right now. So and that's another thing, you guys. Most of you guys are trying to rush trading because you guys need money ASAP. I say if you want to get into trading, find another side, go get a job, or like get a side hustle. That way you're not so dependent on that. That way you can control your emotions some more when you're trading, you know? Like, for example, say if I needed that like $100 right now, I just closed my trade and I could have just won 200. Or I can't lose this money, so it's just for the emotion, guys. Trust me. But yeah, Katron Financial, I'm signing out. Any more tips or tricks, anything that you guys want to know, I'll try to figure out how I feel somebody can help me, and then I'm gonna drop those videos to help you guys. But yo, Katron Financial signing out, man. Go tune into my Instagrams. It's Katron Financial. I got a TikTok called Katron Mentorship. Y'all go check those out. And we're gonna keep going crazy, keep going up. We're gonna grow together. I'm a beginner. I'm not a beginner trader. I've been trading for about 2 years. I've been watching the market 2 years straight and every day. Like, I saw how the market moves every day at 9:30. So yeah, you guys, I'm just now on the journey of actually putting in money, investing into money into this, because I learned it now. You can be one of those persons to learn as you grow, but I like to learn fully, then enter, because now you have no worry when you have knowledge over something. You have no worry. You know how it works. You know man. But yo, Katron Financial signing out, man. I hope you guys had a good day. I hope you guys stay prayed up. I hope you guys go excellent. Keep grinding. Don't stop. I don't care what nobody says. Just keep going. Let's go.